Hello everyone and welcome back. Today we're gonna see how to recover Pi Network account. Firstly, you can recover your Pi account by logging in with Facebook, phone number or Apple ID. If you're using a new phone number, you may see a registration screen instead of a login option. Go back to enter the correct phone number to recover your existing account. Enter your registered phone number on the login screen and tap password forgotten when prompted. Follow the instructions to reset your password. Your phone must be able to send international SMS to receive a password reset link. Your new password must contain at least 8 characters, 1 number, 1 uppercase, and 1 lowercase. Double check your phone number. Try a different format such as +82 or +8210 for South Korea or the correct international format for your country. If logging in with Facebook, ensure you're using the same ID that was used during your registration. Facebook restoration may fail if you are trying to log in with a different Facebook account. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.